exceptional contribution of our little kid hood stars. Let's begin the award ceremony. I request Mr. Manoj Kothari, the chairman of Kidhood, to present the awards. So the award ceremony starts with Nallaganda branch. We have Neelansh from Playgroup. Neelansh. First prize fancy dress competition. First prize fruit vegetable carving competition. Third prize frog jump. Give a huge round of applause. Next. Arya Hanuman Playgroup, first prize running race. B Devan, second prize running race. Siddharth Prasad, first prize frog jump. Next. Varunya Sharma, first prize rhymes recitation competition, second prize frog jump. Give a huge round of applause. Please cheer them up. Yakshit Yadav, first prize treasure hunt. Manvi, second prize rhymes recitation. Roshan, second prize treasure hunt. Next. Next we have the prizes from junior KG. Can we have Ira, K. Ira from Ira, okay. So nursery Rutvika, first prize. Rutvika from nursery, first prize frog jump, first prize fancy dress, third prize Jhansi Ki Rani fancy dress competition. Deekshita, second prize running race. Rishit, be ready for your prize. Rishit, second prize rhymes recitation competition. Next, can we have Arvita for securing second prize in running race? Tejashwin, first prize running race. Next, Yuvansh from nursery. Yuvansh. Can we have Rian from nursery? Rian, third prize for running race. Give a huge round of applause, parents. Next, Minakshi, first prize, treasure hunt. Next, Sai Vaishnavi, second prize, treasure hunt. Parents, please keep cheering them up. Next, we have Navira, third prize for treasure hunt. Parents, please keep cheering. Next, can we have Dakshit for securing second prize in frog jump? Srinika, third prize, rhymes recitation competition. Parnika, third prize in frog jump. Amaira Kodak, first prize, rhymes recitation competition. Third prize, show and tell competition. Amaira, first prize, rhymes recitation competition. Third prize, show and tell competition. Hedvig Reddy, first prize, fancy dress competition. Thank you, Manoj sir. Now I request Vikas sir to present our kids with their awards. Thank you, Manoj sir. Next we have Tanuj Reddy of nursery for securing second prize in show and tell competition. Parents, a huge round of applause. Next we have Stita Pragna for securing first prize in kite making competition, third prize in running race. Stita Pragna. Next we have Dharmika for securing first prize in running race. First prize in Father's Day event, third prize in running race. Dharmika. call upon Pranavi Joshi from Junior KG. First prize is fancy dress, second prize in sack race. Parents, keep cheering them up. We have Dhruti from Junior KG for having first prize in hurdle race, second prize running race. Purvansh, first prize running race, third prize squeeze and fill game. Riva, second prize squeeze and fill game, second prize paper origami competition. Third prize in running race, Riva. Next we have Kovisha for securing first prize in running race, first prize in paper origami competition, third prize in sack race. Next we have Dhruv Singh for securing first prize in squeeze and fill game, first prize hurdle race, first prize in memory test. So this kid is always first, right? Next we have Vedansh for securing first prize in fancy dress. Can I have Riyansh Arya for having second prize in storytelling competition? Riyansh Arya. Now it's the turn of senior KJ kids. Thank you, Vikas sir. Can I have Prashant sir, Mr. Prashant sir, to present our kids with the awards. Now I call upon Kiranya from senior KG for having first prize in fancy dress, first prize in storytelling competition, second prize in sack race, second prize in hurdle race. Ira. Can I have Ira from junior KG? Ira. Actually, she wants to come once again on the stage. Anything for the kids. Please cheer her up. Ira from junior KG. Now I call upon Avyukt Nair for having first prize in sack race, second prize in fancy dress, second prize in running race, second prize in paper origami competition. Abhiram for securing first prize in squeeze and fill game, first prize paper origami competition and third prize in sack race. Now last but not the least from Nallaganda branch, I call upon Jatin for having first prize in running race, first prize in hurdle race, second prize in storytelling competition, second prize in squeeze and fill game. Parents, please give a huge round of applause for all the kids. This means a lot. There are these efforts. Now it's the turn of the Lingampalli students. Now I call upon Rushika from playgroup. Rushika from playgroup for having first prize in passing the ball competition.
I think parents are forgetting what it is. It's award ceremony, children are
Can we have B. Sisira? B. Sisira for having first prize in treasure hunt competition. Abhiram Reddy for having first prize in balancing the ball on cone competition. Abhiram Reddy. Next. Can we have Tanvita for securing first prize in fancy dress, first prize in rhymes recitation competition? Next, I call upon Shivangi Yadav, second prize fancy dress competition. Can I have Mivansh Deep Nayak for securing first prize rhymes competition, first prize running race, first prize kangaroo jump competition, second prize drawing and coloring competition, second prize show and tell competition. A huge round of applause. So many prizes. Can I have K. Karthik for having third prize in rhymes competition? Thank you, Prashant sir. Now I request Nagaraj sir. Nagaraj sir, can I have Nagaraj sir on the stage to present the awards? Okay. So sir is not here with us. Can I have Miss Roja? Miss Roja to present the awards. I call upon Kevanshika for having first prize in frog jump competition, second prize kangaroo jump competition, third prize in running race competition. Kevanshika. Next we have Shanvi Reddy for having first prize as Radha's attire competition, first prize show and tell competition, second prize running race, third prize vegetable and fruit carving competition. Shanvi Reddy. Parents, please cheer them up. Kevanshika, first prize frog jump competition, second prize kangaroo jump competition, third prize running race competition. Syed Mohammad Junaid for taking the first prize in show and tell competition. Can I have Lake Shana on the stage for taking second prize in rhymes competition, third prize kangaroo jump competition, third prize show and tell competition. Next I call upon Chetan Sai for having third prize in frog jump competition. Next can I have D. Rutvik for taking second prize in frog jump competition. Next I call upon Monish Deep for taking first prize in creative kite competition. Parents, huge round of applause to our little kids. Please cheer them up. Next, I call upon Monish. Done. Next, Kevin Prashanti. For second prize in rhymes competition, second prize in show and tell competition. From junior KG, I call upon Riyansh Tripathi for taking second prize in race with rings competition. Next, I call Siddhansh Reddy from junior KG for taking second prize in running race competition, third prize in fancy dress competition. Next we have T. David for having first prize in running race competition, first prize vegetable and fruit carving competition, third prize in fancy dress competition. Next we have Adya for securing first prize in fancy dress, first prize drawing and coloring, first prize packing the bag competition, first prize memory competition, second prize paper origami competition, second prize in storytelling competition. Give a huge round of applause. Next, I call upon Lily for taking second prize in packing the bag competition, third prize storytelling competition. Next, I call upon Vishwak Sen for taking first prize in Krishna's attire competition, first prize race with rings competition, second prize storytelling competition, second prize science exhibition competition. Give a huge round of applause. Next I call upon Sritika for taking first prize in Radha's attire competition, first prize paper origami competition, first prize creative kite competition, second prize vegetable and fruit carving competition, third prize in memory game competition. A warm round of applause. Next, can I have Sritika? I call upon Suhana for taking first prize in storytelling competition, third prize packing the bag competition, third prize race with rings competition, third prize paper origami competition. Next, I call upon Hanship Gaud for taking third prize in running race competition, third prize in science exhibition competition. Can I have Riyash Reddy for taking second prize in memory competition? Riyash Reddy. Next we have Mahivardhan Simhadri for taking first prize in science exhibition competition. Now last but not the least from Lingampalli branch, can I have Bhuvan for taking first prize in fancy dress competition, first prize in science exhibition competition. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, I call upon Mr. Vijay sir, to present the awards. So now it's the turn of Gachibowli branch. Can I for taking third prize in vegetable and fruit cart. Okay, so Hamad is absent. Can I have Vedika for taking first prize in show and tell competition? Vedika. Vedika from nursery.
Parents, please put your hands together for Rika Vedika. First prize in show and tell competition. Yes, a huge round of applause, please. Can you hear my kids cheering up for them? Yes, it should be in that way. Please welcome Asrita. Second prize. Okay, the child is absent. Next, Shreyanshi. First prize in ball on the cup game, bottle decoration game. The thunder of clap shouldn't stop. Next, Mokshit Reddy. Mokshit Reddy, third prize show and tell competition. Next, Syed Mustafa. First prize lemon and spoon game. First prize bottle decoration game. Next, Ariz Rahmat. Second prize rhymes competition. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Next, please welcome Shiloh Israel. First prize rhymes competition. Shiloh Israel. Next, Mariam Siddiqui, second prize, lemon and spoon. Moving on to junior KG, please welcome Rivansh Khilari. First prize running race, first prize show and tell, second prize food and vegetable carving. Next, moving on to Mohammad Musa, first prize origami competition, first prize rhythm rhymes competition, second prize running race. Senior KG kid, Advait Shriyan, first prize show and tell competition, first prize memory game, second prize balancing the ball competition. With this, we come to an end with Gachibowli branch. Moving on to Kondapur branch.
Hello everyone. Kidhood Kondapur children are ready. Parents, are you ready to meet our superstars? So I say let's and you say go in the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Let. All right. So first it's the time for PG, play group class. I would like to call mind-blowing Mahanya. She was first in running race, honeybee race and Father's Day painting competition and second in fancy dress competition. She was dressed as Bharat Mata.
I request Mr. Sandeep to please come up on stage to give away the awards. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sandeep, his partner of Kondapur branch.
Handsome Hitansh. He was first in running race and turtle race. Joyful Jinisha. She was first in creative kite competition and rhymes competition. Valiant Vanya. First in Janmashtami, she was dressed as Radha. Our valiant soldier is not so well today. She is afraid of crowds. She is another Rani of Jhansi in our school. Jhukega nahi sala. Alright, next we have Sweet Shripada. She was third in rhymes competition. It's okay, ma'am, you can take it. As it is parents, without parents, they are nothing. would like to call Sweet Shripada. She was third in rhymes competition. Anxious A. Jasurya. Second in total race and running race. I cannot hear parents clapping. How would you feel when you get an award and nobody is even bothered? How will you feel, parents? They are such small kids coming second, first, third, and no applause from your side. This is not done. Next we have Energy Easygoing Ishan. He was first in fancy dress competition. He was dressed as Subhash Chandra Bose. Next is Adorable Adya. She was second in running race and honeybee race. Now I would love to call our little munchkins of nursery. Parents, are you ready? First is Sharp Shivashrishti. She was first in rhymes, creative kite competition and fancy dress competition. She was dressed as Bharat Mata and she was second in show and tell, Father's Day painting competition, fruits and vegetables carving competition. Too much for it. Bharat Mata ki jai. Alright, second is Sensible Swechha. She was second in sports, pack the bag race. She was second in hurdle race and running race. Next is Ambitious Abhiram. He was first in running race. Look at the happy faces, parents. Look at their smile. They feel so loved. Next is Mesmerizing Nishita Reddy. She was second in rhymes competition. Dazzling Devik Arora. He was first in hurdle race. Crossing so many hurdles is not so easy, parents. Affectionate Anay Khemka, first in Pack the Bag race and Janmashtami. He was dressed as Radha. Second in rhymes competition and hurdle race and third in show and tell competition. That's why he was so anxious to come up on stage. Now I understood. Amazing Arnika. She was first in show and tell competition, third in running race, hurdle race and rhymes. Harmonious Ridan, second in Pack the Bag race. Jovial Jashrita, she was first in running race and hurdle race. Attentive Advika Arukonda, she was second in fancy dress competition and third in pack the bag race. Delightful Dhruvi, first in pack the bag race. Sophisticated Shresht, he was second in hurdle race and running race. Independent Muhammad Izhan, he was third in pack the bag race. All these kids have become impatient now. Parents, you are not clapping, that's why they are crying. They are not feeling like they are getting awards, they are feeling like they are getting any punishment. That's great. Next is Appreciative Athira Murali. She was third in show and tell competition. Absent. Darling Divisha Roy, first in show and tell competition. She speaks so well. Virtuous Vihan Nandan, first in Janmashtami, he was dressed as Krishna. Deliberate Devansh Berry Boyna, he was second in running race and third in hurdle race. And last for nursery but not least for Kondapur branch, Intelligent Ishanvi, first in rhymes competition.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. You can take your seat. I request Mr. Nagraj sir to please come up on stage to give away the awards. Nagraj sir. Please welcome Nagraj sir. He is a partner of Gachibowli branch.
Now it's turn for our champions of Junior KG. Artistic Anay Verma, he was first in fruits and vegetable carving, third in three-leg race, paper origami, fancy dress, second in memory game and third in storytelling. And running race, oh my God. That's it, that's it. Look at his smile. Radiant and third in three-leg race. It's okay, Rishan, you are getting an award. You are not coming for Dangal. Gleeful Guru Pranav Datta, he was first in storytelling and third in three-leg race. Okay, yielding Yashvi Reddy, she was second in three-leg race, running race and hurdle race. Gleeful Guru Pranav Datta, first in storytelling and third in three-leg race. You also won an award? Third in science competition. Okay, notable Neha Krishna, she was first in running race and third in hurdle race. Amiable MNS Advait, first in running race and second in hurdle race. Remarkable Ritvik Singh Rupal, first in kite making, science model and second in fancy dress. Ritvik, you can smile. Your parents are cheering for you. Come on. Admirable Ashrit Reddy, second in running race and third in three-leg race. Astonishing Advait B, he was first in Janmashtami, he was dressed as Krishna. Enthusiastic Ivan Joshua, first in hurdle race. Determined Divanshi, first in Janmashtami. Versatile Bihan Mattam, third in three-leg race. Innocent Ishika, first in three-leg race. Smart Sheikh Saz, second in science model. Virtuous Vishishta, third in science model. Now the last class, the superstars of June Senior KG. Awesome Arush, second in fancy dress. Thoughtful Tanvik B, first in storytelling. Dauntless Dhanvika, second in running race. Vigilant Vihan Sharma, first in three-leg race, hurdle race, running race and Janmashtami. He was dressed as Krishna. You all had your food? You all had your snacks? This is what we ask our kids, when they are so dull. Parents, no Josh. How's the Josh? And last is vocal Vaidehi. She was first in running race, Janmashtami, fancy dress, science competition, and second in fruits and vegetables carving competition.
I request Nagraj sir to please take seat. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Mr. Suresh sir to please come up on stage and give away the awards. Moving on to Manikonda branch. Starting with the class playgroup Manikonda branch, please put your hands together for Srihit Krisha Verma from class playgroup, first prize. Father's Day competition, I think that was coloring competition. Second prize, vegetable and fruit carving. First prize, shape sorting. Second prize, kite competition. Next, moving on to Dilshin Kaur. First prize, fancy dress. Third prize, running race. Third prize, rhymes competition. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Next, moving on to Anandi. Second prize, fancy dress. First prize, running race. Second prize, shape sorting. Second prize, rhymes competition. Next, Chaitanya. Best dressed as Krishna and third prize in bunny race. Next, moving on to Kabir Yadav. Third prize, vegetable and fruit carving. First prize, cups and colors competition. First prize, bunny race. Next, moving on to Kavya. Second prize, bunny race. Isha, first prize, cups and colors competition. Isha, first prize, cups and colors competition. Teachers, please speed up. Next, moving on to Sai Pranavi. Sai Pranavi, second prize, cups and colors competition. Next, moving on to Arohi, third prize, cups and colors competition. Third prize, cups and colors competition. moving on to Durga Mukunda Athar. He is absent. Moving on to Shanmukh. I guess he is also absent. Next, Arya, first prize sorting game. Amaira. Okay. Agastya Swajit Vaidya. Second prize shape sorting game. Next, moving on to Liansh Venkat Shivram. Third prize shape sorting game. Liansh, third prize in shape sorting game. Thank you, Suresh sir. You can please take your seat. Now I invite Mr. Raghuveer sir to please come up on stage and give away the awards. Class nursery from Manikonda branch. Moving on to class nursery, Drishika. Drishika, second prize, drawing and coloring competition. Slow. Today, clap, clap, clap your hands has become my favorite rhyme. Yes. Drishika, second prize in drawing and coloring competition. Moving on to Ivanshi. First prize in fancy dress, best dressed as Krishna. First prize running race, second prize treasure hunt. Next. Next, Kainat Sood. Second prize fancy dress. Second prize as best dressed as Radha. First prize rhymes and storytelling. Advik Ram Reddy, fancy dress, first prize running race, second prize treasure hunt. Advik. Next, moving on to Litiksha. First prize show and tell competition, third prize running race. Second prize rhymes and story and runner up as fancy dress. Best dressed as Radha. Next, moving on to Tanvi Kohli. Third prize rhymes and storytelling. Best dressed as Radha and second prize in hula hoop game. Next, Sanvi Khanderi. First storytelling, third prize hula hoop, second prize show and tell competition. Yes with Kartikeya, second prize running race, first prize hula hoop. Javik, third prize running race is absent. Next, moving on to Ishika Reddy. First prize hula hoop, first prize treasure hunt. Next, moving on to Himansh. Third prize Himansh. Third prize hula hoop, third prize treasure hunt. Sahash Chittur. Second prize hula hoop, first prize treasure hunt. Next, moving on to Harini. Third prize treasure hunt. Vivan, third prize kite competition. Vivan. Next, moving on to Krisha Reddy. First prize in fancy dress, second prize in running race. Vivan from class nursery. Nursery. One second. Samina teacher, one second. One second. Photo with the slide. Vivan. Third prize in kite competition. Thank you, Mr. Raghuveer, sir. You can take your seat. Now I invite Ms. Aarti Singh to please come up on stage and give away the awards. Please welcome Aarti Singh, one of the partner of Manikonda and Kondapur branch. Moving on to class junior KG, Viswak Shri Ram. Second prize in science exhibition, first prize in drawing and coloring competition, first prize in paper origami competition. Next, moving on to Nikit Pilli. First prize in fancy dress, first prize running race, second prize ball balancing game. Next, moving on to Riha. First, second prize in fancy dress. Third prize running race. First prize in science exhibition. Parents, we are at the end of the award ceremony. Please clap. Encourage them with your claps. Lot of hard work is put in to come and stand here and take away the awards. It's their achievement. Ayansh. Moving on to Ayansh. Best dressed as Krishna. Third prize in frog jump. Second prize in paper origami competition. Guneet. First prize rhymes and storytelling competition. First prize frog jump. First prize memory competition. Moving on to Kanishk. Second prize running race. Third prize rhymes and storytelling competition. Saransh. Second prize. Saransh. Second prize. Teacher, speed up please. Saransh. Second prize frog jump. Second prize ball balancing. Tapasya. Third prize ball balancing. Rudransh. Rudransh. Second prize memory competition. First prize kite competition. Next, Nivriti. Third prize frog jump. First prize paper origami competition. Last but not the least, Yaswin Kumar Reddy. First prize in fancy dress, second prize ball balancing, first prize vegetable and fruit carving, first prize memory competition. A huge round of applause, parents. Thank you, Aarti ma'am. You can take your seat. With this, we come to an end with the award ceremony.